Alright, good morning guys. It is day 4 and we've woken up hella tired from our big day at Disney yesterday, but we are going to Macau today. It's nice and sunny, it's warm, I'm already sweating as you can see. Quick coffee stop and we are making our way to the ferry terminal.
Hello， 你好，左手邊直球。
41, 41, 43. Oh, cool. Right here. Guys, we're now on the ferry from Hong Kong to Macau. So basically, we were able to grab some free tickets on this ferry. So the Hong Kong Tourism Department have this promo right now for non-HK or Chinese residents to be able to get the ferry for free. It's at Sheung Wan ferry port. It's the Cotai turbojet ferry. It takes about an hour. So you go there, you present your passport and your boarding pass from whatever flight you had, or even an e-ticket to leave the country. But yeah, this is for tourists only, and it was a free ticket. It's about an hour ferry ride. We got the 9:30 ferry and pretty comfortable seats. Huge ferry, as you can see, all up here. And you've got a bar and toilet and stuff as well. It's gonna be a good day today. We're gonna do some shopping in Macau. We're gonna check out the couple of the casinos as well. I'm gonna have a nap on this ferry ride because I'm tired from our Disneyland day yesterday. If you haven't seen the video, go and have a look. But yeah, we'll see you in Macau. Hi. How much is this one?
100 yan. 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
90 for you.
Alright, I'll grab 2 of those. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I just bought some keychains. I bought like, I don't even know, 12 for like 15 bucks. So it's pretty good. And just looking for little things, maybe for my niece. So, very hectic, but it's fun. How much for your fridge magnet?
6 pieces 100.
6 pieces 100.
3 pieces 50.
Alright, can you do 2 for 30?
35 again?
Alright, we'll do 35. Is that good? Say hi, it's for TikTok. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, dude. Thank you very much. You have a good night. Thank you. I'll do this one for 20. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks. Alright, so I've taken refuge in the ASIC store because there's aircon and it's absolutely boiling outside. I'm sweating. But my mum actually asked me to get her a designer bag, a couple of designer bags here in Hong Kong, like proper real ones, because she don't do the fake stuff. But I got her I went to the outlets today and I ended up getting her a Coach bag, which is really nice, and I couldn't find her like a crossover body bag, a small one. I just couldn't get her one. Like I couldn't find it. Sorry, mum, failed. But what I did get her was this from the ladies' market. Little Dior little bag. I'm sure she'll love this. She'll probably die and kill me, but I can't wait to show her. Bye.